Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will help you recover your Ledger Nano S. First, locate your 24-word recovery phrase. It's crucial for this process. Next, ensure you have a new or factory reset Ledger Nano S device ready. Finally, download and install the Ledger Live application on your computer or mobile device to begin the restoration. Now, connect your Ledger Nano S to your computer using the provided USB cable. Power on your device and navigate to the Restore from Recovery phrase option. Carefully input each of your 24 recovery words, one by one, ensuring they are in the exact sequence you originally recorded. Take your time to avoid any errors during this critical step. After successfully entering your recovery phrase, you'll be prompted to set a new PIN code. Choose a strong, memorable PIN, ideally with 8 digits, to secure your device. You will then need to confirm this new PIN by entering it a second time. This PIN is vital for protecting your Ledger Nano S from unauthorized physical access. With your device recovered and PIN set, open Ledger Live on your computer. Install the specific cryptocurrency applications for the assets you wish to manage, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Then, add your existing accounts within Ledger Live. Your funds will reappear secure and fully accessible, allowing you to manage your cryptocurrency once again.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.